Hey y'all, and yes, this is another something just in the nick of time. And when I tell you this is good and easy, it is. Two ingredients. We've got our Grand's biscuits or any of your store brand and sugar. That's it. So here it is out of that pack of 20 of those biscuits. I just went ahead and make sure they got softened, and I'm just splitting 6 of them down the middle. Just split them in 2, and that will give you a dozen of these Chinese donuts. Oh yes, we're going to be making homemade Chinese donuts. It's cost friendly and easy. I tell you, this is what you want. So we're just going to split it down the middle. And then, of course, I'm just going to take each of those halves and just roll it into a ball. That's all you're doing, just rolling it into a ball like I'm doing here. I'm going to show you with just more than one, and we're just going to go ahead and set it aside because, yeah, that's all we're going to be doing. So we're just going to go ahead and take the rest of these and just roll it into a ball before we get to cooking. All right? Easy peasy. Okay, so here it is. In this pan I've got some vegetable oil. Of course, you can use whatever oil you have on hand. I'm just not using a big saucepan, something very small, and I just added them into the pan 3 at a time. Of course, you know, if you want it to be a little bit bigger, you don't have to do it in half. You could do it as a whole. And right out of the hot oil, we're just going to put it into the sugar. Roll it around for the sugar to adhere to it while it's still hot. And then you're going to get your good stuff. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to do all 3 of these out of the pan. Take it in a roll of sugar and let it do its thing. This is the best. When I tell you it's going to be flaky, it's going to be hot, it's just going to be real good. Something sweet, you know, something sweet, just a little good treat for you. And when I tell you this is good, you can make it by yourself or on your own, get the kids involved, make it a family thing. You know, it's good and it's fun. Here it is. All of them are already cooked up, and when I tell you, they were so good and fluffy and crunchy and sweet. It was really good. You could have it with some tea, some milk, hot cocoa, some coffee, water, however you want to have it. Just have them. They're good. Really good. So there you have it, your version, or my version rather, of the homemade Chinese donuts. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.